Got tired of wearing dozens of health tech devices on you all at once? No need anymore. RingConn Smart Ring is all you need. We've got an exclusive RingConn discount code for you. And trust us, you don't want to miss this. It's sleek, powerful, and ready to transform the way you monitor your health. With this exclusive RingConn deal, you're set to elevate your wellness game. Just check the links in the description or scan the QR codes on your screen to grab this offer. There are separate discount codes for the Gen 1 and Gen 2 RingConn rings, so you get the best value no matter which one you choose. So act now to get the latest and greatest offer. So, what makes the RingConn Smart Ring a must-have in the world of wearables? Let's break it down. First up, comprehensive health tracking. RingConn doesn't stop at step counting. It delivers insights into your sleep quality, heart rate variability, stress levels, and so much more. Imagine having all these crucial health metrics on hand. Literally. Next, there's design and comfort. The RingConn Ring is sleek, lightweight, and comfortable, crafted to fit perfectly on your finger without ever getting in the way. Whether you're working out, resting, or sleeping, RingConn stays out of sight, but never out of sync. Then, there's the app integration and data accuracy. Equipped with high-tech sensors, RingConn collects precise, reliable data that's instantly accessible through its app. And the best part? RingConn offers versatility across generations. While the Gen 1 Ring provides comprehensive health monitoring with essential metrics, the Gen 2 RingConn Ring steps it up a notch with enhanced capabilities. This includes built-in sleep apnea detection, a crucial addition to sleep tracking. Gen 2 also features advanced sensors and algorithms for even more precise data on heart health, activity, and menstrual cycle tracking. Compared to other wearables, RingConn truly stands out. With unmatched data accuracy, unparalleled comfort, and a focus on the metrics that matter, it's the perfect companion for anyone serious about tracking their wellness. RingConn is more than just a gadget. It's your personal health guide right on your finger. Ready to take control of your health with RingConn? Now's the perfect time. Remember, we have discount codes available for both the Gen 1 and Gen 2 RingConn Smart Rings, so you're covered no matter which version you choose. Just click the links in the description or scan the QR codes on your screen to secure this exclusive deal. Don't wait, your wellness upgrade is just a click away. Use the codes and make the most of this offer. Want to explore RingConn a bit more? Check out our full review on the RingConn Smart Ring. Just click on the video right here on your screen. Don't miss out on all the details and insights before you make your choice. Thanks for watching.